Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to clear Mac command from screen. It means terminal screen, how to clear within a second without type clear command. How to do it, we will see detailed demonstration in laptop screen. So let's start as a demonstration. Simply I open here terminal and look at this. My terminal is open here and number of row is coming here without my permission because of Mac are generating those lines here. So how to clear this one? Earliest time type here clear button, then enter, then afterward the screen is clear. But without type clear, you need to press just only command plus L and your screen is automatically clear. So I just simply show it to you again, command and L, and screen is clear. So this is a simple tips and tricks. Without type clear, you can clear your terminal screen. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.